Light up any look with my dazzling Infinite Chrome Flakes. These lightweight, multi-chrome flakes come in a variety of multi-tonal, highly reflective shades. Simply swipe or tap to instantly dramatize any look. Use alone or layer over your favorite color fix, twin flames, or even powder shadows. To use as a standalone eyeshadow, swipe on with a brush for a hypermetallic foiled effect. Use as a topper for a crushed, sparkling, reflective look. This formula is pure magic. It's a self-setting, high-impact, cooling, water-based gel that creates intense prisms of light to add glimmer and glow. No mixing medium or adhesive required. No fallout, no fuss. Just magical multi-chrome bursts of gorgeous color. Light up your looks with my dazzling Infinite Chrome Flakes.